First-time home buyers, this is for you. If you're thinking about buying your first home, you may be wondering, are townhomes a good investment? Well, let's break it down. First off, let's talk about affordability. Townhomes are often more budget-friendly than single-family homes. According to the National Association of Realtors, townhomes typically cost less and are especially more attractive for young professionals. In fact, 35% of buyers are open to going smaller just to get a foot in the door. And I get it. In today's market, that can make a big difference. The good news is we're seeing more and more townhome inventory in the market than in previous years. More and more new home construction builders are building townhomes right now, which gives you more options and better pricing as well, especially with home prices on the rise. Number two is low maintenance. One of the biggest perks of townhome living is that many of them come with HOA coverage. That often includes your landscaping, exterior repairs, trash pickup, and sometimes even the utilities. That means fewer surprises and less upkeep. Perfect if you're just starting out or want to ease into home ownership. Number three is location. We've all heard the real estate phrase, location, location, location. Most townhomes are usually built in prime areas, close to work, shopping, dining, and all the things that you want to be close to. So you're not sacrificing the convenience just to own a home. You're getting the best of both worlds. Number four is the resale value. The data shows that they do appreciate over time, especially in growing markets. There are some trade-offs though, and that's where I come in as an agent. I can help you weigh the pros and cons and see if a townhome fit your lifestyle and your long-term goals. Connect with my team and I so we can determine what matters most to you, the space, the location, or your budget. Let us help you find the perfect first-time home today. I'm Victor Amadi, your realtor here with PRODUCER Realty. We help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them through buying their dream home and selling at the highest price. And we would love to do the same for you. Have a fantastic day. See you soon. Take care. Bye.